Unrefined coconut oil is a special type of oil made from fresh coconuts. Unlike refined oil, which is processed and can lose some of its natural goodness, unrefined coconut oil keeps all the nutrients and flavor. So this oil has a light, sweet coconut smell and taste, making it perfect for cooking and baking. Using unrefined coconut oil is great for your health. It contains healthy fats called medium chain triglycerides. Okay, I'll put it in the description. I can't say the word. Which can give you energy and may help your body burn fat. Many people like to use it in their smoothies or on toast instead of butter. It's also a wonderful oil for frying because it has a high smoke point, meaning it doesn't burn easily, so you keep the nutrition. Besides cooking, unrefined coconut oil has many uses in beauty routines. It can be a moisturizer for your skin or conditioner. Many people love using it for hair for makeup too. So when choosing unrefined coconut oil, look for labels that say cold pressed or virgin to ensure that you're getting the best quality. This way, you can enjoy all the health benefits while adding a delicious coconut flavor to your meals and beauty care.